Okay guys, this is something pretty shocking. We rented this Airbnb and I started to experience this unexplainable headache whenever I go near to the kitchen and prepare the food. So what happened was, we got this gadget here. So remember, I always say that our human body organs aggregate frequency is around 55 to 90, and we found that 72 is actually the brain frequency. So I'm going to hook up the software here to identify what causes my headache, because 72 is actually the frequency of your brain. So over here in this setting, we got two LED lights, one above us, another one is actually the small one over here. The switches are over there. Okay, the switches are over there. So let me turn on the first switch of the LED, and I want you to see the noise spectrum from the LED lights. The first light. As I turn on the first LED light, as you can see, the noise spectrum came in at 72 megahertz, and the flux itself stretches from 72 all the way to about 72.3 and all the way down to about 73 megahertz. Okay, this is the first LED. And if I turn on the second LED above my head, which is the top one, I want you to see that the noise field spectrum actually goes into a darker color. Okay, so let me show you the LED. This is the first one. Okay, this is the first LED, and I got my antenna right above, and the second LED is actually above my head. And as you can see, the spectrum here, the noise became darker and darker. So what happens is that I pull out my mGuard and I just put my mGuard next to the kitchen, and I want you to see what happens when I turn on my mGuard. After I took on my mGuard, and immediately the headache just went away. Alright, so what happens when I turn off my mGuard again? I'll just want you to see the contrast. Switch off the mGuard again. And when my mGuard is off, immediately the noise wave from 72 megahertz came back. And this explains why I'm getting this unexplainable headache, because 72 is actually resonating with my brain frequency, and that's why I'm getting this headache. Let me just turn back on the mGuard. Okay, so it's pretty amazing. So thanks Enagic, thank you so much for allowing us to own this technology to protect ourselves.